Hello kids, I hope you have done the homework and we did equivalent fractions in our last class, which we are going to continue in today's class also. Okay, so let's begin with the class now. Understanding equivalent fraction using equal shares. So here we are given one example where there is one roti which is being divided into 4 children. Okay, so when one roti is divided into 4 children and it has to be divided equally, then the share of each kid will be 1 by 4. Right? We know this, that this is one complete roti. This has to be divided into 4 children's. Okay, let me make children's like this, and then we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So every kid will get 1 by 4 share from this root. Okay, 1 by 4 to each kid will be given. So now what we have here is we have to express this fraction in we have to write the division fact of it, addition fact, and the multiplication fact. Okay, so how we can write this? We know that each child is getting 1/4 of the roti, or we can say for division, I am writing here the division fact here is one roti is divided into 4 children equally. Okay, so we have to write this as 1 divided by 4, which is equivalent to 1 by 4 here. This is one thing. This is the division fact. Now, addition fact of this. How we have to write the addition fact here is each kid will get 1/4 of a roti. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. We have 4 kids and they are getting equal share of 1 by 4. Together this will make 1 roti. This is the addition fact of this statement. Next, we have last the multiplication statement. Okay, or you can say the multiplication fact of this. So we have 4 children here. Total number of children are 4, and each kid will get 1/4 of a roti. Right? So this is the multiplication fact. So kids, in our case, what we have to do is we have to write the division, multiplication, and the addition fact of these questions. Okay. So similarly, we have this in the figure it out. Let's go through this question. 3 rotis are shared equally by 4 children. So now we have 3 rotis. In the above case, we had 1 roti and now we have 3 rotis here. So 3 rotis are shared by 4 children. Show the division in the picture and write a fraction how much each child will get. Also, write the corresponding division, addition, and multiplication fact. Now, we have 3 rotis and each child will get 3 by 4 of a roti. We have to divide them equally, right? So, let us use this and let us do this here. Okay, so in this question, fraction of roti each child will get. If you see it from the figure, we have to divide this equally. So for this kid, let's say he's getting these 3. For the second kid, he's getting this and these 2. Third one, he will be getting these 3 and the remaining will be the fourth one. So if you see from the figure also, we have to divide them equally. So we can see here, each child will get 3 by 4th of a roti. Right? So we are writing here 3 by 4 as the answer. Now, the division fact. Division fact here will be 3 rotis will be divided into 4 children. 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be the part which each child is going to get. Right? And addition fact is easy. 3 by 4, first kid, second, third, and fourth. This is the addition fact of this, right? each child will get 3 by 4th of a roti, and if we simplify, we'll get 3 rotis here. That was given to us. This is the addition fact of it. And now coming to the multiplication fact of it. We have 4 children here, and each children is getting 3 by 4 of a roti. So this is the multiplication fact. So kids, similarly, we can write this for other examples also. Wait. Right? This is the division fact. This is addition. This is multiplication. These are very, very easy. This is question number 1 we have done. Now, second is draw a picture to show how much each child gets when 2 rotis are shared among 4 children. So, let's say we have 2 rotis. Okay. This is first roti, this is second roti. Number of children are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 children, we have 2 rotis. So kids, we know if we have to divide 2 rotis in 4 children, it will be 2 by 4. That means if we simplify this is 2 into 1, 2 into 2. Each child will get half roti. So I can say this child will get this half, this will get this half, and this will get this half. So here we can see each child will get the half of the roti. Now, if we have to write the division fact here will be 2 rotis will be divided into 4 children. Okay. So this will be 2 divided by 4, which is equivalent to 2 by 4. Or when we simplify, half. So every kid is going to get half roti. Coming to the addition fact, easy. It will be 4 halves. First kid, second kid, third kid and fourth kid. And together it will make 2 rotis. Right? And now last one is the multiplication fact. Multiplication fact will be number of children are 4. Each child is getting half of roti. Right? And number of rotis, if you simplify, it will be 2. So this you have to write till here only. You don't have to simplify it because we are writing the multiplication fact. This is multiplication, addition and division. Right? So this is how we have to do this question. Next, Anil was in a group where 2 cakes were divided among 5 children. How much cake would Anil get? Kids, very, very easy and it's a homework for you. Okay, here we have 2 cakes and it is divided among 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, you have to write all these facts here. Now, let's move further. This one is homework for you. Next, what we have here is, let us examine the share of each child in the following situation. So here we are given with a situation first where 1 roti is divided equally between 2 kids. So each kid will get half of the roti. See, you can also write this as 1 roti divided into 2 children. Okay, so each children will get 1:2, that is 1 by 2. Now in the second one, this is the complete example where 2 rotis are divided into 4 kids. So 2R I am writing for roti and 4C for children. We can write this as 2 into 4, 2 by 4. And in the third example, number of rotis are 3 and number of kids are 6. So 3 divided by 6, which can be written as 3 by 6 here. Okay, so now kids, let's see, are these fractions equivalent? Just try to simplify these. 2 by 4 will become 1 and 2. 1 by 2. 3 by 6 will also become 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 1 by 2. Yes, all these are equivalent fractions. Okay, same things are given here. Now, next one. Find some more fractions equivalent to half and write them in boxes. Very, very easy and a homework for you. I'm marking this as homework. This is very easy. Now, next, equally divide the rotis in the situations shown below and write down the share of each child. Okay. Are the shares in each of these cases same? Why or why not? So kids, this is same as the above one. Here two rotis are divided into three children. So each children will get 2 by third of roti. Next one, four rotis are divided into six children. So we will get 4 by 6. Each kid will get 4 by 6. 4 by 6, same here also for 6 children, right? Children. And then third one, 6 rotis, 6 are divided into 9c, 9 children. This will be 6 by 9, right? So every kid will get 6 by 9, same, same, same. Will get 6 by 9 rotis here. Now let us see if they are equivalent also. We have 2 by 3 here. On simplification, this will become 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 by 3. On simplification, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 2 by 3. Yes, they are equivalent fractions. Okay, so this is done. Next, we have figure it out where we have to find the missing number. This one. So, question number 1A part says 5 glass of juice shared equally among 4 friends. So, we can write this as 5 glass of juice shared 4 children, 4 friends. So, 5 by 4 will be the share of each kid. This is same equal to dash glass of juice shared equally among 8 friends. So what they are saying, this will be equal to dash glasses of juice shared among 8 friends. We have to find the value here. So kids, we can see here, if we multiply 4 with 2, we will get 8 here. Okay. So what we are going to do, let us multiply this with 2. We will get 8. 4 into 2 is 8. So if we are multiplying the denominator with 2, we have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So this will become 10 by 8. Okay. So this answer will be 10 here. Right? Because here we are speaking about equal share. So this will be 10 here. Answer will be 10 here. Similarly, question number B, 4 kgs of potatoes. Question number B, 4 kgs of potatoes are divided equally in 3 bags. Sorry, 3 bags. Okay, this is same as 12 kgs of potatoes divided into how many bags here? So in the numerator, if we multiply this with 3, we will get 12. So multiply with 3, divide by 3. This will be 12 by 9. So this answer will be 9 here. Okay. And this C is a homework for you. Now, next one we have, in which group will each child get more chicky? First one is, one chicky is divided into, sorry, wait, okay. One chicky is divided between 2 children. Question number 1. One chicky is divided among 2 kids. I am writing kids. Or 5 among 8. 5 chicky among 8. So what we have here is, we have to see 1 by 2, between 1 by 2 and 5 by 8, which one is bigger. Okay, so kids, we have done this in our previous grade, that if you have to compare and if the denominator is not same, so what we will do, we will try to make the denominator same first. Okay, so I can write this 1 by 2. If we want to, I want to make the denominator same, I am going to multiply 2 with 4 and I have to multiply 1 with also 4 because I have to multiply both the numbers, denominator and numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, so I'll get 4 by 8. So now I can express 1 by 2 as 4 by 8. So I have two numbers to compare now, 4 by 8 and 5 by 8, right? And we know the rule, we have learned the rule that if the denominator is same, then the number with higher numerator will be more. Okay, so I can write here is that 5 by 8 will be greater than 4 by 8. Okay, so this is how we have to do this. Now, next we have the another example here. Let me erase this first. Okay. So where, what about the following groups, in which group will each child get more? So here we are given few groups and we have to identify where kids are getting more. One chickie divided between two children, or 4 between 7. Okay, so kids, here we cannot make them same. So what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of the denominators of both the fractions 2 and 7. And since we know both of them are prime, so the LCM will be 14. Okay, so their LCM is 14. And now what we have to do, we have to change these fractions. 1 by 2 can be changed to what? This will be 2 into 7, 1 into 7, right? We have learned that how we have to do. We have to divide this with the LCM. We will get 7. So that means we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 7 here. Okay, so this we will get 7 by 14. Next we have 4 by 7 here. So this will be what? 7 into 2. So into 2 here, into 2 above. Here we will get 8 by 14. Right? So we have two fractions to compare. 7 by 14 is greater or 8 by 14 is greater. Since the denominator is same, so the number with the greater numerator will be greater. Okay, so we will write 8 by 14 is greater than 7 by 14. Okay, so the person with 8 by 14 will get more chicky than this. Okay, or we can say in the original fractions which was given to us, 8 by 14 came from where? 8 by 14 came from 4 by 7. So we have to write 4 by 7 is greater than 1 by 2 here. Okay, so this is how, kids, we have to do these questions. Just find out their LCM, solve them, and then see if they have same denominator, then the number with the higher numerator will be greater here. Okay, so we have done many such questions in our previous grade. This is the same thing repeated here. Where now decide in which group will get the larger share. Group 1 we have this question. Group 1, first I am taking this as 3 glasses of sugarcane divided equally into 4 children. This is group 1. Or group 2, 7 glasses among 10 children. So what we are going to do? LCM of 4 and 10. This is 2 into 2, 5, 2, 1, 5, 1. So LCM is 20. I'm writing here LCM is 20. And now what we have to do? Change the fractions. We can write 3 by 4 as, we have to multiply 4 with 5 to get 20. So 4 into 5, 3 into 5. This is 15 by 20. And next we have 7 by 10. How we are going to do this? 10 multiplied by 2, we will get the LCM. 7 also we will have to multiply because we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. This will give us 15 by 20. So what we have? 15 by 20 and 14 by 20. And we know the denominator is same and the numerator 15 is greater. So 15 by 20 is greater here. 15 by 20 corresponds to the given 3 by 4, and 14 by 22, 7 by 10. So this is greater. Okay, easy. Similarly, you can pick up this one as a homework. The question 2 is a homework. So kids, this is easy. We know that how we have to find them, right? Same thing is given here. Find the equivalent fractions for given pairs of fractions such that the fractional units are same here. Okay. So let's do this question, kids. Question I'm doing here, and I'm picking the A part first. Very easy. 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. We have to find their equivalent fractions. Okay. So since 2 and 5, they do not have the same denominator. Let's find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10, right? And now let's find out the fractions. 7 by 2 can be written as, to make it 10, we have to multiply this with 5 and numerator with 5 also. This is 7 into 5 is 35, 5 into 2 is 10 here. Similarly, for 3 and 5, what will have? Multiply this with 2, multiply the numerator with 2. This will be 6 by 10. So, these two are the equivalent fractions of 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, this is done. Similarly, you have to do the other questions also. I am picking G here. Okay, let me do G. Rest of these are very easy. Kids, I want you to do all these because we have done many such questions in our previous grades, and these are very easy. We have practiced them now also. Okay, so now 3 and 4, they both we have to take their LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 will be straight away, it will be 12 only. Okay, there is no need to find out because they are not coming in any same table. LCM is 12. Now let us change 8 by 3. So to make it 12, multiply it by 4 and up in the numerator also with 4. 4 into 8 will give us 32. 4 into 3 will give us 12. So this is one fraction. Next we have 11 by 4. So we have to multiply 4 with 3 to make it 12 and numerator also. Here we will get 33 by 12. So these are the equivalent fractions of the given fractions. So similarly, kids, you have to do it for the other B, C, D, H, F and E. These are very easy. If you have any confusion, you can always ask me. Okay. And now the next part of it, I'm going to continue in the next class. So I will see you all in the next class. Please do your homework. Okay. Thank you.